Many of these companies, when we tear out their systems, have a service log which keeps track of how many times the companies come out and charge them X amount of dollars to flush their system out, basically called maintenance. People really like one aspect of our system is that it's perpetually self-cleaning. Our warranty goes a million miles further than this. Rather than having to pay us to come out and flush the system out because it's just not the right system, we have a money-back guarantee. If our pipe clogs with iron, ochre, or bacteria, we did something wrong. We're going to tell you our system is perpetually self-cleaning. If it's not and it clogs, we did something wrong, we missed it. That means you should get your money back. So we'd refund every penny of the entire job to you, come out and flush the system out so it's working perfectly again, but we'd also continue to keep you 100% under the original warranty for the rest of the time you own your home. And if you ever did sell the home, we still allow you to transfer that warranty to the next owners for as long as they own the home. Big difference then, I just pulled this service log out and it's got, you know, one service here they had to pay for, another service maintenance record, whoops, maintenance record, all these things, and each one of them was a substantial amount of money, but this goes on perpetually. Every year, they want to come out, flush the system out, and charge you X amount of dollars for maintenance for a system that's not right for this particular type of foundation. I know I keep going back to that, but these people could have avoided spending thousands of dollars for a system that got torn out and replaced with something that they're now very, very confident is the right way to do it, and it's going to work perfectly and keep this entire basement completely dry. When we look at the amount of material it takes to waterproof a basement properly, one of the big things we deal with is stone. So you can see here we have a few dozen buckets of stone. We've already brought in probably 4 times as much as this. The part of the video where we were tearing out the old system that was in there, you saw there was no stone underneath it. It literally was, the floor was removed, within the depth of the floor, that gutter was dropped in there, and a little bit of stone was on the outside of the gutter. As compared to what we have going on in there, where we have a 4-inch corrugated perforated pipe completely packed with stone, so you have drainage of stone and pipe this big by this big, as compared to what we just tore out, which was the floor taken away structurally, away from the wall and off the footing, and then within that depth of the floor itself, that's where the gutter and all the drainage was installed. So you got that floor replaced to about a thickness right about there. If you're ever going to do this type of work, call your building inspector and ask him, just so you make sure you're not getting someone that's going to be leaving you in a situation where you might not be code compliant moving forward. You'd have a real big problem at that point. But when you look at the materials, right here, they did their entire waterproofing system with probably about 2 buckets worth of stone. Now we've done a bit more drainage in there than what we tore out. But comparatively speaking, if you took 1 foot of drainage with what they did, they literally used 2 handfuls and we would use 2 bucketfuls. So it's probably around 20+to1 how much more drainage we put in with our system compared to the one that we just tore out. So it's turned out really, really well. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe so you can see all of our other videos too. So until next time, enjoy your dry basement.